Are you muting your body camera, sir? Because I'm definitely recording. Okay, talk to him. I know what you did. You muted your body camera. And now y'all want to suspect me of committing a crime. All of a sudden, I'm now suspected of committing a crime. One man on a street corner, all of a sudden, you're free to leave. So this is stalking. I feel threatened. This is stalking. Definition of stalking. He's gonna hang around me and I've been here all night. Don't you tell me I'm a fucking criminal. Bro.
No, they're fucking about to catch me fucking rabies.
I'm about to sue. Don't tell me to calm down. I'm about to sue.
Today's video takes place on a quiet street corner in Boulder, Colorado, where simply standing and legally filming in public was apparently enough to make an entire police lineup believe they were responding to some kind of national-level SWAT operation. So they swarmed in, surrounded him, questioned him, threatened him, and then exposed themselves on camera with every mute button press, every shaky excuse, and every failed attempt to turn an innocent man into a suspect. Watch how a group of officers trying to manufacture a criminal instead ended up embarrassing themselves and slipping away in defeat. But before we dive in, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment sharing your thoughts on this performance of police theater.
Yep. Thought it was a fire truck. Everything, anything. I don't wish to be spoke with.
I'm in the public space.
Of course.
Record me, record me, record me, record me.
Have fun with that, Mr. Stalker.
It's not stalking. You're just standing here.
Of course.
Do you have rabies tags on your dog?
I'd like a superior to come down here while you conduct your investigation upon me.
Do you have a rabies tag on your dog?
I'm not going to answer any questions. I'd like your superior to come down here immediately. Are you guys new to the force? Please gather around. Stalking and harassment. Call for that supervisor. I would like all y'all's cards, please. All of them. Like a deck of poker cards. Give them to me. No, it's the same guy. You ain't mistaken. Y'all profile like motherfuckers. We've been waiting for y'all to come across the street. Me, viewers. For sure. What's the nature of the cause for you to surround me, officers?
Not surrounding me.
You were surrounding me. You activated your footage.
Don't put that in my face.
Oh, well, you're in my face.
I'm not in your face.
You are in my face,
Your
sir.
hand towards me again.
Excuse me? Are we now dictating who can move
I'm
shit?
telling you specifically, do not raise your hand to me again.
Call your spirit down here right
They're
now.
coming.
I didn't raise anything to you, sir. My hand's been up this way the whole
It's on
time.
camera.
Of course it's on camera because I'm filming it. Oh, yes, I do, sweetheart.
See it?
No, you cannot, sweetheart.
Well, you're being detained, and I like to see your ID.
For what? Suspicion of what?
Rabies test.
Before I give you any information, Cupcake, go ahead and call your supervisor.
They're coming.
Oh, I bet they are. Aren't they driving around the block right now, like right there? Isn't that them? Stalking? They know I'm here, as they have all night. Where have you
I have no
been?
idea what you're talking about.
Why are you here? Threatening
I've
me?
already explained this to you. I didn't threaten you.
Yes, you did. You threatened me with non-ability to move. Suspicion of what, sir? What are you detaining me for? I've been here this whole night, recording, just like I am now, still recording. What's the problem, sir?
I've explained it to you a bunch of times. You're not listening.
No, I've listened to you. I said call your supervisor. I'm asking you what your personal problem is with me.
There is no personal problem with you.
No? Do you know who I am?
No, because you won't give me your ID.
You don't need it because Steinman shares it with you guys. I proved that on stand. Do you want to get involved in any civil rights issues right now?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Okay. That's a tick right there. That's Marquez's tick, along with the shoulder shrug.
I didn't do anything to that.
No, not you. But he committed perjury on the stand, and you don't want to fuck with me.
I don't.
No.
Why is that?
Because, well, you're surrounding me right now in a threatening manner. Is that not a superior?
I don't know if that is or not.
Can you visibly identify who's patrolling around you? You don't know what's going on?
I do know what's going on.
There's a truck right there. There's an SUV right there, and you can't tell me who your supervisor is?
I know the supervisor.
Who is your supervisor tonight?
Sergeant Heath.
Sergeant Heath. Does he know I'm right here right now?
Probably, because that's probably him right there.
Good. I want a formal report, and I want your name on it, and your name on it too.
Get a formal report.
I will get a formal report. I bet you I'll get a formal report.
Request it through the proper channels.
Oh, this is a proper channel right here. Hey, sir, how are you doing tonight?
Doing okay? How are you?
Very good. You are the proper channel tonight. Are you muting your body camera, sir? Because I'm definitely recording. Okay, talk to him. I know what you did. You muted your body camera. I know how this works. Tampering with evidence. I am recording that now. You just tampered with evidence. This is a formal investigation and he is tampering with evidence. The officer mutes a body camera footage. That's tampering with evidence. I'm gonna prove this in a Boulder court of law. Y'all are more than welcome to come through. We'll prove perjury too. What's your name, sir?
Officer Torres.
Officer Torres. Nice to meet you, sir.
Me too.
Thanks for not threatening my body motions and movement because I'm free to move.
You're free to move, guys.
I'm not going anywhere. I've been here on this corner all night. Your supervisors all been driving around, buzzing around, looking at me all night long. And I've been here just as I have been, and now y'all want to suspect me of committing a crime. All of a sudden, I'm now suspected of committing a crime. One man on a street corner, all of a sudden, is suspect. I want a formal report, sir. All right, here we go. I'm excited. I've been waiting for this.
What can I do?
What can you do, sir? I've been detained by this officer right here. Please identify yourself.
Officer Austin.
Officer Austin. He detained me tonight. He suspected me of being a criminal.
That's not what I said.
Yes, you did.
No, it's on camera. I did not say that.
Well, you mute it freely. I understand how this works. You can say whatever you want on camera, sir. I know how this works. It's okay. Don't worry about the technical words, okay? Because it's a bigger picture here we're painting.
You don't understand. It's not technical.
Okay, I know how that works. Give him, hey, give him 8 feet. Give him 8 feet because this is an investigation. Hey, everybody watch this investigation. Seriously, but give them 8 feet. They need 8 feet. I'm not playing. Everybody watch. I'm going to school them. I'm going to school them. Watch. I encourage you, though. You suspected me of what? You were saying?
We've already discussed this. I'm not discussing it.
Okay. I just wanted to reiterate for maybe anybody that may be listening over my shoulder across the street. Hey, sir. Hey, Mr. Heath.
I'm sorry I didn't catch you.
I know you didn't because I didn't give it to you yet. Okay, hold on 1 second.
Okay.
What is the nature of this gentleman's cause for my suspicion?
I don't know that there is.
Well, ask him why we're all here today.
I believe you're free to go if you'd like to go.
I was here in the first place, sir. They swarmed me. How am I free to go? I've been free this whole night.
I'm done talking to you.
You're done talking? No, I'd like a formal report right the fuck now.
You don't get to demand.
I don't get to demand it. He's suspecting me of being in violation. He detained me. I have this all on camera. I'm animate so people can hear me. And people know people are violating civil rights every day. I would like a deck of poker cards right now. 3-card stud. Play them out. I want your card.
What card?
Badge number, please. That's your card. Badge number. Badge number. I will. More than you know.
All right. Have a good night.
Have a good night. Hey, I wanna know why I'm being freed of the investigation though. Do you know what investigation this was? Did he tell you? Did he tell you why you're here and I requested a superior, or am I just free to go?
You're free to go.
Is this just another fucking stop and go welfare check? I've been here all fucking night.
Okay.
And y'all wanna swarm me and I gotta call for a fucking superior. Man, fuck off. Get out of here. I'm recording, dude. Civil rights violation at its finest. Okay. Have a good night. I said good day, sir. You're free to leave. You're free to leave.
So
This is stalking. I feel threatened. This is stalking. Definition of stalking. He's gonna hang around me and I've been here all night. Literally. Right here. And they're gonna fucking hang out next to me now. I just made them call for a superior because they were conducting an investigation on me. They detained me. I'm within my rights to call for that superior. With that being said, he doesn't know why he's here. But I'm fucking swarmed like I'm a criminal because he detained me in his color of guard, acting within the law. You should lick a boot.
Hey, ignore them. Just stop screaming. I'll give you a hug in the morning.
I'm animate. I'm not mad at all. So don't call me with a poor attitude if you ever cite me, sir. I'm animate and my goddamn heart is in this shit.
Verbally constructive.
Don't you tell me I'm a fucking criminal.
Bro.
No, they're fucking about to catch me fucking crazy
I'm about to sue. Don't tell me to calm down. I'm about to sue.
And that wraps up the entire encounter, a perfect example of how, when a citizen knows their rights, an entire lineup of officers with flashing lights, badges, and egos the size of Colorado still can't do much except stumble over their own authority and slowly retreat into embarrassment. From the baseless swarm, to empty threats, to the convenient body cam muting every move they made only exposed the lack of transparency they were desperately trying to hide. All caught on the one camera they hoped would stop rolling, the camera of a well-informed citizen. If this interaction tells you something about the state of law enforcement today, drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next episode of Authority Theater that our camera brings into the light. See you in the next video.